Hi friends, this is Sangeeta Natarajan, leadership coach. People say that when people throw stones at you, make milestones of goodness out of it. Now, why goodness is so important in our life, and why we need to pay heed to our activities or our intentions or whatever we implement in our life to be demarcated between good and bad. Because it is very essential to know what are the good things in our life and what are the things which harmful effects for others and yourself. Now, first of all, we need to know what is good and bad. Now, good is something that is beneficial to you, that benefits you, that is good for you and good for others. And bad means that is harmful for you and which is not acceptable morally. Good is acceptable, but bad is harmful for you and for others, and it's not acceptable. So let us learn something about mathematics of good and evil. When we talk about mathematics, we talk about signs. We talk about plus, minus, zero, natural numbers, 1. We talk about greater than, equal to. We talk about the nil effect. Now we will talk something about the science of good, science and mathematics of good and bad. When I say 1, number one thing is that within no time, evil or bad can neutralize the effect of all the good. Because one drop of poison when we put in milk, what happens? It becomes poison. There was only one drop, but within no time it was converted into poison. So within no time, it will not take any time, just chutki bhar mein it can convert. Now we come to zero thing. When we do plus and minus about good and bad, when we do the good things and the bad things, the result is what? It neutralizes. It can't stay together. Because when we add something good to it and we subtract it by doing something bad to it, it neutralizes to what? 0. So we can say that it is not, it is not that like you have done the good things and they will remain that. If you have added bad in that, it becomes nil. It neutralizes. Simple. Then there is something called greater than, equal to. When they both are challenged together, when good is challenged by bad, now who will win? Who will be greater? Obviously, good is going to win. Because when good is challenged by evil, evil has to be on a lower scale and it has to come down and उसको जिताना है, सच को जिताएगा evil अगर confront हो जाएगा तो. And fourth thing is that with the passage of time is equal to, outcomes will come only with the passage of time. You will not be able to know when you do the good. After some time you can realize, you can see that this is the effect of the good, and it is generally producing more good. Evil का क्या effect होता है? It is altogether different. So it doesn't have it equalizes, good and bad together equalizes, and with the passage of time the outcomes can show you what was good and what was bad. Last but not the least is through the passage of time they get separated from each other altogether. So good people, that's why, can't remain with bad people for much longer. Good events can't remain with bad events for much longer, because they get separated. They get their individual identity, that this is this and this is this.